everyone, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, it's going to be a very fun and exciting video. What fits in my Alma BB? What fits in my Speedy 20? We are going to compare these beauties, and I am so ready and excited for this video. Before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we got all of that stuff out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine, grab some tea, and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started. Your girl got the tea, so now let's talk LV. We are going to be discussing what fits in both of these beauties and comparing. At this point, guys, it's either you're an Alma BB girl or a Speedy 20 girl. Let me know in the comments, which way are you rocking? This is so hard for me. This is so hard for me because I love the outer appearance. I mean, to me, an Alma, any Alma bag, no matter the size, Alma comes in an Alma BB, an Alma PM, and an Alma MM. No matter what, it's just a bossed up presence to me. It's just a bossed up presence to me, and I feel like this should be dressed up all the time. You can wear it with tennis shoes, but the Alma bag is most definitely a boss bag, and I feel like it should be dressed up with heels. The Speedy, casual, you can dress down, wear it with some shoes. I mean, you can wear it dressed up with heels. So you can wear this a lot of different ways. So it's either you're an Alma girl or you are a Speedy girl, and the Speedy goes all the way up, I believe, until a 40, and then after that it turns to a key ball. So a Speedy starts now with the Nano Speedy, then it moves to the Speedy 20 that just recently launched, and then it goes all the way up to a 40. So it is a variety of sizes in both of these beautiful bags. So let's see what fits in the Alma BB first. And I'm going to actually, the items that I fit in the Alma BB, I'm going to fill it up as much as I can. I am going to use those exact same items to put in the Speedy 20, which I've already done a video on what fits in the Speedy 20, but let's compare. I've been using this mini pochette, this Demiri bean, for a while. I switched from the Monogram. The Monogram is my go-to, but I've just been on this mixed match print for a while, and I am loving it here. So the mini pochette goes in, and first let me open up, and let's take the strap out. As you can see, this bag has never been worn. Padlock here, and of course it comes with a bag tag. I'm sorry I didn't give any information. And it is hot stamped, of course. So it comes with the bag tag, padlock, and the strap is not adjustable, but it is detachable. So you can change out the strap if you like. And it has a small, I believe, a card slot side pocket. And let me see. And for the Alma BB and Monogram, I paid $1,430. So it was still inside. Product code number M53152. So it is now empty, beautiful brown interior. And of course, the Alma comes with the extended zipper, which for me is a plus. So it most definitely has no issues with getting items in and out. So I do have it zipped all the way down. Gold hardware. Here is the mini pochette going in. And I am going to go with my phone. Going in. And as of right now, this is the wallet that I'm carrying. This is the Raza wallet here. I have all of my credit cards, everything, and cash inside. I went over this in my SLG collection, so I'm not going to switch out my wallets. I'm just going to show you what fits in. And going in, it does fit in perfect. And I believe because of the zipper, the extended zipper, makes it so easy. 4 keyring holder, 6 keyring holder, and it still has a lot of room, guys. It still has a lot of room. So let's get this zipped and see how easy it was for it to zip. And it did add some weight. So if you are carrying this as a crossbody, filled like this, it did add some weight. So just be mindful. And guys, oh, this bag is beautiful. Oh my gosh, this bag is beautiful. And I guess with it being up against this red as well, but this bag is so beautiful. So here it is as a tote. Everything inside and double zipper. Just like the Speedy 20 does have double zipper as well. And so here it is. And like I said, still additional room here at the top, inside, extended zipper. And the only thing that I dislike about the Alma BB is the strap placement. I don't like how the strap goes on, but if you notice on the Alma BB, it is like an extended piece right here that connects the bag to the tote handle. It's an extended piece, as you can see here on the side. That is where the strap goes. And it goes on this side, and turn it to the opposite side. As you can see, here is the part. Do you see here? And it's right here. So that's what you attach the strap D-ring to. Okay, guys, as stated, the bag did get quite heavy, but here it is. This is adding the strap. It is not detachable, but you guys can change it and add any strap you want. As you can see, this is quite long, but it is right here. I would like for it to be a little bit higher, just me. This is how the strap looks as a crossbody. So this is it as a crossbody. And if it's long like that as a crossbody, it's going to be long as a shoulder bag. And here it is. And this is most definitely too long for me. So this would be my option. Again, the strap is not adjustable, but it is detachable. And you can always leave the strap on and carry it as a beautiful tote, like I'm doing now. And it's perfect. It's perfect. So again, double zip. And inside, 6 keyring holder, 4 keyring holder. The Braza wallet, which now is discontinued, but they do have this in Monogram, and I do have my eye on it because this holds so much and I love having it. And my phone and my mini pochette. Everything that fits in the Alma BB, and it did have some room at the top, but if you want to zip it and have the easy zip and close, the zip and open, do not stuff the top. Okay, everything that I needed fit in perfect, and it was fine. So let's move on, take these same items to put them in the Speedy 20, and let's see how much room we have left. Y'all ready for this bad boy? Here's the Monogram Speedy 20. Let's go straight inside with the interior. And it does come with a strap. We'll talk about the strap later. Brown interior and red interior. This one has a deeper side pocket. And of course, it's new. So LV probably most definitely just upgraded. So here is the Alma BB. And it has, this is a card slot. This is a card slot opening. And this here is also a card slot opening. It's just a lot deeper. It goes all the way down to the bag. Okay. So that's the difference there. They both have side pockets. This one is more of like a card slide, and this one is a card slide, and probably your phone also. Let's just see. Like I said, you know, guys, I want to be as detailed as possible. And no, it's the width of my phone, the side width, but not the length. But it does go down pretty far. So it also is a card slide. You just probably can just hold more cards in it. Okay, and let's compare the two straps. Both of the straps are not adjustable. You cannot adjust the straps. More of a cloth decorative strap that comes with the Speedy 20, which some of you guys dislike, but I love it. And the Alma BB comes with a vachetta strap that is not adjustable, just detachable. So both are not adjustable, but detachable. Okay. The zipper for a Speedy, this is extended, so that is a plus. This Alma is just made this way, so it's not an extension on the Alma bags. This is just how they're made. But for the Speedy, this is an extended zipper. And let me show you. Let me show you guys. And this is why I love being in my closet too. I can just reach for my bags while doing a video, and that is totally fine. So this is a Speedy 25, as you can see, and this is a Speedy 20. This is what we mean by extended zipper. Okay, it is extended. The Speedy 25 is not extended. Okay, so that is great. That's what we want with the Speedies. We want the extended zipper. So both have extended zippers, easier inside to get in and out access. That's what we want. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if the same items that I put into the Alma BB can go into the Speedy. So we are going to go in the same order. We are going to go with the mini pochette. The Brazza wallet. And look at this. I love changing out the prints and mix and matching. Awesome. So let's see if it goes in. And with the extended zipper, it helps so much. So did you guys see how that just went in so easy? And I think it's because of the extended zipper. So the mini pochette is in, and let me set it up so you guys can see. And the Brazza wallet is in. The 6 key ring holder, 4 key ring holder, and here is my phone. And still, still room inside of the Speedy 20, guys. Still room inside. And the thing is, if we put things on the top, at the top, you're not going to have an issue with zipping. If you look at my past video that I did on the unboxing and what fits in my Speedy, guys, it's still room on the sides. It's still room. Now, with the Alma BB, it had room at the top, but this bag is so structured. The bag is so structured, it doesn't have any flexibility. You would not be able to fit anything at the top. It would not zip, or it will show like the little dented in and out areas at the top of the bag, in which I hate. I do not like that look on a bag. If it doesn't fit, take it out. It's not meant to be in there. So, guys, I showed you everything that went into the Alma BB. I put into the Speedy 20. And guess what? Additional room. So let's see. The zippy coin purse. Let's see. Zippy coin purse is in between my phone and the Brazza wallet, and it's still room inside. All of this, still room inside. So guys, and it does add some weight to it. Not bad at all. For some reason, with the Alma BB, it was some weight added to it. And the bag, let me see, does have a little bit of weight without anything in there. And like I said, I believe because it is such a structured bag, just like the on-the-go tote. It's a structured bag. You're getting exactly what you are getting. No flexibility at all. And with the Speedy, you have the double zip. And as you guys can see, I put the zippy coin purse in as well. And guys, I still have room on this side. And here's a Speedy 20. So let's put the strap on. And the strap have the D-rings on the side versus the Alma BB having the D-rings on the opposite side of each other. This is the strap that it comes with. And of course, you can switch this out. You know, I always go for the Pochette Petite strap anyway. So let's just put the strap that it comes with on, just like I did with the Alma. And it is double-sided, so you can wear it on either side. And I'm not sure why you guys are not feeling this strap. I think the strap is so cute. I'm guessing because you guys feel like it's such a classy bag because it's a Speedy, but you can dress a Speedy up or down as stated. And here it is as a crossbody. Easy access right here, double zip. Here it is. Right here at my hip. Anything I need in and out. But of course, you guys know I love the tote. I love carrying like this. I love carrying the Speedy, the Alma. If it has a tote handle, I am carrying the bag as a tote. And I'm going to put that strap in my forearm. And here she is. So guys, let me know in the comments, are you Team Alma BB or are you Team Speedy 20? I'm just Speedy. I'm just a Speedy girl. Alma, as stated, beautiful bag, but the Speedy is just beautiful. A beautiful, beautiful bag to have in your collection, and I'm in love. I'm in love with both of them. I really am. But I showed you guys what fits in both of these bags, and the Speedy 20 most definitely does hold more. So if you are torn between these two, as far as what fits in, the Speedy 20 does hold more than the Alma BB, only because the Alma BB is a well-structured bag. Okay, guys, let me know in the comments, how do you feel? Rate these two bags. Which one is your favorite? Which one do you have in your collection? As always, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Stay safe, stay blessed, and happy holidays. Bye-bye.